Everyone, it's Miss Vikriti from Grade 8 Section A of Narayani Model Secondary School. Today I am standing right here to talk about a very important grammar topic, connectives. Connectives refers to those words or phrases which join sentences, paragraphs or even ideas. Connectives helps our speaking and writing sound smooth and more clear as well structured, as well as it makes our sentences meaningful. And basically there are 9 types of connectives. They are region connectives, unexpected result connectives, purpose connectives, relative pronoun connectives, time clause connectives, coordinating connectives, correlative connectives, if or whether or unless, asking that, thinking that, hoping that. Let's talk about region connectives. It includes because, as, since, for, which is written before region with subject, verb, object. For example, he ate rice because he was hungry. Another, because of, due to, which is written before region with noun phrase. For example, he ate rice because of his hunger. Last one, therefore or so, which is written before result after region. For example, he was hungry, therefore he ate rice. Now type 2, unexpected result connectives. It includes although, though, even if, which is written before the situation of unexpected result with subject, verb, object. For example, although he studied hard, he failed the exam. Another, in spite of, despite of, which is written before the situation of unexpected result with noun phrase. For example, in spite of his hard work, he failed the exam. Last one, however or nevertheless, which is written before the unexpected result with subject, verb, object. For example, he studied hard, however he failed the exam. Next one, purpose connectives. It includes in order to, action plus purpose. The condition is action plus purpose, but it joins with verb 1. For example, he went to the market in order to buy some vegetables. Another, in order that, so that. The condition same, action plus purpose, but it joins with can or could plus verb 1. For example, he went to the market in order that he could buy some vegetables. Last one, for, which the condition is same, action plus purpose, but it joins with verb 4. It means verb plus ing. For example, he went to the market for buying some vegetables. Now another type, which is relative pronoun connectives. It includes who, whom, whose, which, where, what, whatever, why, how. For example, who, which is related to person. So the formula is who, person, and after that verb. Who, which is also related to person. The formula is person, whom, and after that noun. And which is related to things or objects. So the formula is things or object, which, and after that verb. Where related to place. So the formula is place, where. Why related to region. So the formula is why, and after that region. How is related to manner. So the formula is how, and after that manner.